Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, July 12, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, July 12, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng July 12, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, July 12, 2026. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Super Lotto 649 for July 12, 2026 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, July 12, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.